Hey y'all, what is up? It's your girl, Dollface baby. Yeah, I'm everybody's fantasy. Hello. I got my nails done, just saying. I'm probably gonna be stunting, probably gonna be flaunting. I can't help it. Today, I'm gonna be trying to do a halo eye because I'm really bad at them. So I was just like, let me try to do a tutorial on a halo eye, but like I'm really bad at them. But like, it's fine. Like I need to conquer my fears and do the most, be that girl. I feel like I haven't done like a makeup tutorial in forever as well, so I'm here to finally continue on with my makeup channel because this channel is for beauty and it's for makeup, and I haven't really been posting any makeup videos, so I need to get back on my grind. So without further ado, just keep on watching if you want to see the video. Also, go watch the last video I posted, because y'all fake. None of y'all watched it. That is rude. I'm just kidding. Watch it if you want to. Well, recently I've been wanting to start with my face makeup, so I think I'm gonna do my face makeup like quick because I don't need to be here for forever. Like, and I feel like everyone has seen me do my face makeup like a trillion gazillion times. Like, how many times do you actually want to see me do my face makeup? Like, let us just know. Let us just know. Also, I wanted to film with the back camera today, but like I just couldn't. Like I tried to film my everyday makeup routine with the back camera and it came out so bad, and I was like, all right, this is not going anywhere near my channel. I'm using the Milani Prime Light. Okay, we're back and the brows are officially on. While I'm doing the halo eye that I really freaking hope I can finesse, I'm gonna talk about where I've been, my life, how I got my copyright, not my copyright strike, but my strike on YouTube, which is so annoying because I didn't deserve that copyright, that strike, sorry, not that copyright, that strike. I did not deserve that strike. Point blank period. Let's just start with that first, since we're already like talking about it. I got a strike on YouTube because I went on live, because I was dared to go on live. I didn't care. Well, I did care because I didn't want to go on live on my channel, and I was like, oh, whatever, no one's gonna watch it. So I just went on live. A few people were watching, and the freaking dare was go on live for 2 minutes. So I went on live for 2 minutes, and then it suddenly just stopped living or whatever, and then I didn't find out until I logged in that I had been striked for inappropriate content. And I specifically remember telling them, don't say any curse words, don't do this, don't do that. I was like, bro, I'm so serious. Like, because I had a gut feeling that something was gonna happen, and something happened, and we all did not do anything. We did not do anything. We didn't say anything. We were on live for literally 2 minutes on the dot, and I got a copyright strike. Can I stop saying copyright? I didn't get a copyright strike. I got a strike. Luckily, the strike is like expiring. It expires after a few months. I found out that I got that strike like a month ago. So the strike should be expired in a month or two. I'm gonna go into the only palette I use nowadays, to be quite honest. I don't, what else do you need other than like this? I say that, but I'm using 2 palettes today. I'm pretty sure I'm using 2 palettes today. So I'm gonna go in with the deep blue right here. This blue is so pretty, by the way. I dipped into the wrong blue. Freak. I think this blue is called Cola, and I'm just gonna pack it in the crease. I still don't have an eye base to use with these, but I don't even care. I still just use them with concealer, and it doesn't come out that bad. So whatever. Now I'm gonna go into Take Me Back to Brazil. I haven't used this palette in so long. Takes me back to the day. This is what I was using before the James palette was like a thing. Like, this is still good. Don't sleep, sisses. Don't sleep. Don't ever sleep. Now that I'm done hyping it up, let's talk about where I've been emotionally. I'm just gonna out and say it. I don't want to like dwell on it too much or like start thinking about it too much and get in my head, because I'm just tired of being sad, but I'm just gonna mix these two shades right here. My grandma recently passed away about 2 weeks ago, and yesterday was her funeral. The funeral was absolutely beautiful and everything, but like, I knew she was going to pass away about a week before she passed away because her doctors had like predicted about the time she would have left, and because of that I could not film. I didn't want to film. I had no desire to. So I hope you guys can understand that that's why I was gone mostly. Also, I graduate in exactly 2 months, and that sounds like a long time, but it's really not. It's really not a long time. And now it's crunch time for me to get my ACTs done, because I just found out that if I don't get a good enough score on my ACT, I'm not going to be getting in the college that I want to go into, which, by the way, has an 80% acceptance rate. So if I don't get in, best believe I'm throwing hands, because I've been trying so hard with the studying for the ACT thing. And then I'm also struggling with my math class. Like, I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. So I need to get a tutor, or I'm not going to freaking pass that class, and then I'm not going to get my diploma. And so it's been really stressful. I haven't really had the time for makeup. I haven't done an eyeshadow look in centuries, but I think I'm gonna start a makeup Instagram because I want to get more clients, and because like I think I want to start broadcasting my YouTube channel on that Instagram. So if you guys want to follow it, and if I've made it by the time that I upload this video, the @ will be somewhere on the screen. I would super duper appreciate it. I'm cringy if you went ahead and like showed it some love. But my grandma was like one of my favorite people ever, and it hit really hard. It hit really strong. She's one of the strong, I'm not even gonna stress how freaking amazing that woman is. She was just literally my everything, and so I could not do the filming thing, and a lot of you probably stopped watching. Some of you unsubscribed. I'm sorry about it. Like, I'm not gonna just, yeah, I'm sorry about it, but like, I'm not, because, you know, YouTube is something that I love, and makeup is something that I love, but family first, you know? Family always comes first. Did I even tell you what I was doing? No. I took this green right here. It's about to be St. Patrick's Day in a few days, I think. I think St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. I don't know. I don't celebrate St. Pat. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't done my makeup in a long time. A lot of people say they don't like it when girls or boys, whoever's doing their makeup, puts their eyeshadow too high, but it's like, mind your own business, because I don't have space to do everything I need to do. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this lime green and just blend it up on top, and then I'm just gonna take my time dipping back into the shades and kind of just touching up those in between. I look insane, but I've done both eyes, so they're the same. This one always looks a little different. I can't control it, like, at all. Like, it always happens. So now I'm gonna cut out the cut crease. This is the part where sis F's up. I'm gonna use some of this concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal, and then this little brush from Real Techniques. But yeah, back on the death thing really quick. I've just realized that you never know when you're gonna lose someone, so while they're here, tell them how much you love them and how much they mean to you now, today. I feel like a lot of people take life for granted. My grandma never did though, but I feel like a lot of us do, teenagers. And yeah, you never know when the last time you're gonna see someone is gonna be, so instead of risking it, tell the people you love that you love them today. Fortunately, my grandma passed away, and we were all there, and we were all able to say everything that we wanted to say to her. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing at all. I'm not Jeffree Star. I'm not Laura Lee. I'm better. No, I'm kidding. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Okay. I'm terrified. This is what it looks like. I think I messed up. To be quite honest, I think that this was supposed to go a little more to the right, and it's like kind of like right here, and it should be a little, like a smidge pushed, but we're just gonna blend it. I'm posting this video. I've been doing my eyeshadow for too long to not post this, Y'all don't have to recreate it. Y'all never recreate my stuff anyway. So it doesn't matter. I'm gonna just start blending this cola. I think it's cola shade on the outer edges, and then I'm gonna blend this mixture of these two further in, and then I'm gonna blend some of the light green further in. Yeah, start slow. I also said it because I don't know what to do with my life. I feel like y'all should know that I'm kind of a fake. My first ever video was a halo eye, but like it wasn't like a halo eye. It was like me putting pink and then putting something in the middle of my eye. It wasn't like this, but I kind of snapped. Like I've never done another halo eye on my channel except for that first video, and that wasn't even like this. Like I barely do halo eyes, and for this being like one of the first times I've ever tried it, I snapped. I lied to you guys. I didn't put all these blues and greens like I said I was going to. I just put the cola shade, and that ended up being like enough for me. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna put on the lid though. Let me figure stuff out and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, better than ever. Not really. It's gonna be better than ever when I put on these lashes though. I decided to go in with this shade for the lid. Ooh, dug her in. It's just like an icier blue. Now I'm gonna add some lashes, Dodo lashes as per usual. These are all that I use, point blank period. These are my favorite so far by Dodo lashes. I think these are D312s. They're in the wrong packaging. Yeah, I'm gonna say they're D312s. You can use my code down in the description to get money off if you want. I'm gonna go apply these real quick off camera and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line with y'all real quick. Wrap her up. We've been here for too long. When I say I'm the worst beauty YouTuber ever, I mean that with my entire mind, body, and soul. I forgot to film me doing my lower lash line. It wasn't that deep, to be honest. All I did was blend. Y'all, it ain't rocket science. Y'all know. All I did was blend these three colors really quick. And I think for the inner corner, I don't know. Do I need to do an inner corner? I'm gonna do an inner corner. I'm a little extra. I'm gonna just do some of this. Ooh, wrong shade. This shade right here that the camera doesn't want to pick up, and put it right there. Whoa, that was a lot. Hold the phone. Ooh, I did not mean to do that. I don't even like it. Ew. Ew. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay. I don't know what lip I'm gonna do. I changed my pins because I thought it was more fitting to not have pink pins, to have blue and green pins. I wish I had blue and green nails now. Maybe this eye is immune to like cut creases and stuff, but it really likes a good halo eye. Just a crazy thought. I'm gonna be honest, I snapped with this look. I don't really snap a lot anymore, but I think I kind of snapped with this. Let me know down below. I don't know. If you want to know any of the products that I use, they're always in the description. So don't even be like, bro, she didn't even tell me none of the products, bro. Like, what's wrong with this girl? Like, they're all in the description always. Like, always. No, that's a lie, but like most of the time. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for 800, by the way. That means the absolute most to me. Let's try to reach 1,000 by the time that I graduate, which is in 2 months. I feel like we can do it. 100 subscribers per month. And we will be on our way. We will be on our way. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you all in my next one. Hopefully I can be more consistent. Bye, guys.